What's up? I'm gonna show you guys how I clean a dove. The end result will look like this. You get the wings and everything else. Most people just breast the dove, but it's really a waste. So let's go ahead and go through this. I just wanted to share how I do it so you guys can do the same thing and utilize the whole entire bird instead of just taking these baby breasts out of it. If you bake them up, put them on the grill, they taste great. I recommend to put them in water for about 2 to 3 days to get all that blood out of it. So let's go ahead and go through this. The first thing I'm going to do, let me see if I can zoom in too. Okay. We back this up here a little bit. Got more zoom. The first thing I'm going to do is take the dove and I'm going to pull all the feathers from the wings. Okay. This does take a little bit longer and you get to utilize the whole entire bird. Then I'm going to pull the back wings off. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and start defeathering the back. Ooh, this one was shot right in the back. Okay. When done, take that off. There's a bunch of little tiny peach fuzz hair. You want to take a torch and kind of burn those off so you don't cook those. Grab it by the feet. Take all these little feathers off. Once those are off, take a pair of scissors, and right here where the bone is, I'm going to cut it. And do the same thing to this one. And that's what it should look like. Now I'm going to finish on the wings. The wings actually taste really good, guys. If you're just breasting these birds, they don't, I'm not a huge fan of just the breast. I like eating everything else. It's really tasty. A little salt and pepper or whatever you want to throw on it. Yeah, this poor bird got shot from the back. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can zoom in here. Okay, you see all those little hairs right here? You want to burn those with the torch. All this peach fuzz right here. I'm gonna stand it. You don't really have to defeather the whole entire neck. I'm just going to take the bird, I'm going to rip the neck. Okay, and inside here, there's going to be a bunch of seeds right inside there. So we're going to have to kind of cut that open a little bit and get all them seeds out because you don't want to eat that. This bird's pretty defeathered. Now you can see you get a whole lot more bird and a lot more to eat and you don't waste. So that's what it'll look like. Now let me go grab the torch and I'll be right back. Okay. You don't want to cook the bird right now, guys. You just want to burn all these little feathers off. Flip it around, and now it's ready to be cleaned. All the little hairs are cleaned off. And what we're going to do next is do a slice from the butt this way and this way. I'm going to stick my finger in there and pull all the guts out. We're also going to cut the neck right here and get all the seeds out, but I want to do that near a sink. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the water on. Gonna rinse it off. I'm gonna stick my finger in the crevice. I'm throwing just these guts away here. Some people like to eat the heart. I particularly don't. Now if you look inside there, guys, I don't know if you can see inside. There's, I'm not sure what it's called, but right there, you want to rip that out too. So make sure you guys clean it really, really, really good. Sorry, and I don't have somebody holding the camera for me right now, so it might go out of zoom. I'm going to wash the inside out. Alright guys, the guts are now cleaned out of this bird. Some people like to slice it from the back as well. I don't really care to. Next we got to get whatever food is inside here, so I'm going to do a little slice right here. Look at all that. Let's get rid of that. Poor little guy was eating all day long today, wasn't he? Okay. What I like to do, guys, is get a bowl of water, and I like to soak these for a couple days. Here, check this out. Still a few hairs inside these that need to come out. They did not burn off, but it will probably get burnt if I grill them or barbecue them. But there it is, guys. Again, it's completely cleaned. I'm just going to throw it in the water there and let it soak for a couple days in the fridge. And then you can cook it how you like it. You can't eat them medium rare. So, yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright guys, that is the final product right there. As you can see, they're soaking in water. I'm going to go ahead and stick them in the fridge.
Alright, thanks guys for tuning in to Chasing... Okay, hold on. Thanks guys for tuning in to Chasing the Eggs.
And that's how Tony likes to clean his doves.
And you should too.